Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat messages that are not sending. It's super easy, so let's get started right away. Okay, I've got Snapchat open over here, and then I can go to my chats, and if you notice, one or more of those say, message not sending, you can try a variety of things to solve your issue, but the most likely reason is that your internet connection is bad. Therefore, if you swipe down, then you can simply turn on airplane mode, quickly switch it off, and then double-check that both Wi-Fi and mobile data are turned on. Hopefully, your issue has been resolved. However, if you're still having problems, clearing the cache on your Snapchat account is something I would suggest. And if you tap on your profile button, then press on Settings on the top right-hand side of the screen, you can just go to the bottom here now and press on Clear Cache. And then simply press Continue. And then it will refresh the Snapchat app and make it smoother to run, and after that, you can simply check if it delivered it. And that is a fantastic method of ensuring that the messages get delivered. In almost all situations, it is either your connection or your cache that caused this issue, and this is a great way to fix it. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you attempt to chat with a random stranger, it might say pending until that person approves it. Let's just send some guy a snap. So that will show pending in certain situations, and you won't be able to send that message until that user has approved your message or request. You should switch off your phone and then uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat app, but those are the ultimate worst-case scenarios. Once you follow each one of these steps, the problem should be resolved. Please leave any questions in the comments section below, and please like this video.